think so.
Alright, so how was everyone today?
Awesome!
Good, okay. So today I will teach you guys about how to find interest rates, or more generally known as how to use the compounding formula effectively. Okay, so the compounding formula is A, which is the total amount, is equal to the principal times 1 plus the rate divided by the compound value raised to the compound value times time. Compounding is something that is exponentially growing by a certain rate over a period of time. Our principal will be our original amount invested or taken out as a loan. And our compound value is the amount of times it will be taken in 1 year. So I'm going to be using this as my example. This is a house listing I found on Zillow.com. It's $169,000 and it's a 3-bed, 2-bath house. So, if we were to try to find the total cost, it would take to buy this house over 30 years. We would use our formula and we would substitute in our numbers here. For our principal, for our P, we would use the home price and say our buyer is going to put a $5,000 down payment on their house. So I would subtract 5,000 from this, so I would put it there. And then I would substitute the interest rate in for R, and then 12, because most house payments are done every month. And then we use the same 12 here, because it's the same variable, and 30 years, because that would be our 30-year loan. Okay. And then from this point, you can just enter everything from this side of equal signs into a calculator, and then you would get this amount here, which is around 800,000. So this 800,000 will become the total amount of money you will pay over the 30-year period. This is why it's important to have a large down payment on a house, because with our previous example, it would be around 800,000, and if you were to add another 20,000 to that, it would lower the total cost by around $100,000. The formula can also be used to find other aspects. Say your buyer is going to buy the house whenever the market is a little better, about 2% better. What you would do, you use the same formula, and you would just replace this, and you would subtract the 2% from the interest rate. And see, you would save about half. And the compounding formula could also be used in other things, not just mortgages, but it could also be used to see how much money you could save from student loans. If you're wanting to buy a business, or if you want to get a loan for a business, you can see how much money it will take to get a loan to start that. Or you can use the calculator for much different things. So thank you guys for all participating in my speech, and I hope you can use this in your day-to-day life or in your occupation. Thank you.